What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this 2013 Chevrolet Camaro and we're gonna perform an idle reset on this car because the idle it's a little bit crazy. As you can see, goes up and then it goes down and up, so we need to fix the idle on this car. So the thing we have to do is, sometimes you can drive it and it's gonna work out, but what I like to do is use the scanner because it's a lot quicker and you don't lose a lot of time driving the car. It just takes less time. So the reason why it could be high is, the first one, you change the throttle body. The second one, it could be you clean the throttle body. And the third one, it could be if you have an air leak, and that can cause also the engine to idle high, low, and all that. But to do that, we have to use a special function on the scanner to reset the idle on this car. So when I hit the special function, I have a bunch over here: brake pedal learn, crankshaft position, variation learn. That's when you replace a computer. Engine oil life reset, you can do that with the pedal. You don't really need the scanner. Fuel trim reset, that's to confirm if you have vacuum leaks or anything like that. And heater relearn, if you change the oxygen sensors, and also this thing, same thing. What else? So we have the other one, idle relearn, and we're gonna perform that. So we have here the throttle body airflow compensation. We see here we have 59% and it's off. So when it's off, it should be at 0%. So we hit reset and it's gonna reset it to 0. So that's what we should see, always at 0. And if they change the throttle body, disconnect the battery, or anything like that, it just goes crazy, and that's why it does all these things. All right, so we're gonna hit escape, and now we're gonna test the car. Turn it on and see what happens. And we see here, it's a lot better now. As you can see, the idle came back to life, to normal. Remember, it was going like this. Sometimes you don't get codes, but once you start driving the car for a while, you're gonna start getting a code for the idle being too high or too low. It depends on the position that when you cleaned it or when you replaced the throttle body. But yeah, this is how you fix that problem. On another video, I'm gonna show you how to reset the airbag light in case you crash and you change all the airbags, and you have to reset the module to 0 again, because once you crash, the module stores data for a crash situation. So you have to reset that using special equipment, and I have all that to reset it. The airbag module is located down here, and we have to remove all this to access it. All right, guys, so that will be on another video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, dislike if you didn't like the video, comment down below, turn on notifications so you can be updated with every video I upload every week. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Short stories, they were left behind.